I know I'm posting this video late, but honestly, these products that I'm showing you in this video, you can sell it for throughout the whole year of Q4. They would do really well in these couple months, these last months of the year. So take these products and aim to sell them for throughout the rest of the year. The first product I found was this eyelash curler. And it's a portable eyelash curler that's electronic and automatically curls your eyelashes. I've seen this product so many times on my For You page, and I've sold it before in the past and it did really well. It seems to be an all around product that you can sell any time of the year, but for some reason it's popping off this month. Now, if you look at the AliExpress reviews, it has a 4.1 rating, which is not bad. I wouldn't say the best, but anything above 4 is pretty good, and it will sell. It has 1,300 reviews and over 5,000 sold. That's how you know other people are drop shipping it on their stores, so you should hop onto it. Remember, drop shipping is selling a product that already works and it is already selling. They have good images you can use for your store. Just make sure you customize all the images that you place on your store. Because if someone looks at your store and then goes to another competitor's store and there's the same images, more than likely they're not going to buy from you. This is the store I found. Not a super aesthetic store. It's not done correctly. They do have gifts and they do have good images. I just wish that they made all the images the same size so it's symmetrical. But it's not symmetrical at all. They put all their reviews. I wouldn't have put all the reviews. And they have some 3-star review, which was just fine. So on their stores at 4.6, builds that credibility that it's not only a 5-star product. Because when people see just 5-star exactly, they won't really trust your store. I mean, let me look at the homepage of the store. The homepage, they're selling other products. The homepage looks fine. It just seems they didn't put enough effort into their store. And then this is the ad that they had, which is a really good ad. It has crazy engagement, and it seems to be a UGC ad, and it has a voiceover. So for some reason, voiceovers do really well on ads because it builds that credibility for the product and it shows that real people are using the product. It didn't give it a 10 out of 10, which is good. The next product I found was this electric eyebrow trimmer. I've seen it before on Facebook, but for this month it's been popping off on TikTok. And you can just see the function. So basically it's supposed to shape your eyebrows and it just trims them and shapes them really well. And it's electronic, it's portable, it has good reviews, 4.3 rated, and over 1,000 sold. Other people are selling it, so you should sell it too. This is the ad I found. It's a pretty good ad, and what you can do is you can rip this ad and then just change it up a little bit just to test the product to see if it works for you and for your store, and then you can start paying for UGC ads. You can see they just have a mashup of people using it. The next product I found was this hidden camera detector. This is going really popular on TikTok because of all those freaks about like going to Airbnb and finding a hidden camera. You can get really creative with this product, and it is trending. And if you market it correctly and you give a nice ad, then you could sell it. So it has good reviews, 4.3. Only 35 reviews though on AliExpress. Over 367 sold. And then this is the site that I found for it. Not a super good store at all. It's just not eye-catching, and I don't like the theme they used. They could have used the free theme and made it look a lot better. Too many words in the description. You never want to put too many words in the description. People are less likely not gonna read it. And then does it seem like only 10 reviews, so they should have at least uploaded a little bit more reviews for their product. And then this is the ad that I saw that they had, which is a good ad. Look, you can see the engagement. It has over 32,000 likes and over 200 comments. which is really good. So to be honest, if you just, what you could do is you can copy exactly what they've done, change it up a little bit for the ad, and just make a TikTok account and keep posting. So what I'll do is I'll do TikTok organic for this, so I wouldn't spend any money on marketing. The fourth product that I found was this women drawstrap cosmetic bag. So this is for those really lazy people that you just dump all your makeup into a bag and you just pull it and it all comes together. I've seen this on TikTok and I've seen the reviews for like the comments on the TikTok ads, and a lot of people really seem to like it. It has 4.7 rated stars, which is really good. Over 900 sold, so this is a good addition to if you have a niche, a beauty store. This is the store I found. They have an upsell, which is good. Oh, which is it? This store is decent. They should have just bolded some of the words. I would have taken out some of the words on the description. It's just too much, unneeded. And then I would have done the upsell above the ad card. This is the ad that I found that they're using. I finally found the solution to a problem that every girl on this planet has. So there's definitely a problem. This is definitely a wow factor, and there's definitely a solution with this product. The last product I found was this comb, and this comb has a scalp massage capability, and it's only for $1. So this is the store I found, which is a pretty good store, nice and aesthetic. I would have changed the background image for this, just maybe put like pink or something. They have a pretty good description, just way too long and too many words. I would have used, there's no emojis, I would have used some emojis in it. There's no customer reviews, they should add some customer reviews for it. But the symmetry of the store is pretty good. They just need to change up some of the colors. And then this is the ad that I found that gives, so it detangles your hair. So it's just a better comb. And you can see how many likes it has. It has no comments. Yeah, she turned off comments off, which is fine. There's no saves. But this gives you an idea of some products you can sell this month. Most of them are beauty niche products, which is why I've been telling you for my previous videos is, if you want to start dropshipping and you're thinking of what niche should you get in, I think the best and easiest niche is beauty niche. It's a good start. If you want more videos like this, please subscribe. I'm gonna be posting a challenge. If you want to see a challenge for dropshipping, like maybe scaling 0 to 100,000 per month, let me know in the comments. If you have any other suggestions or any other questions about dropshipping or affiliate marketing or anything e-commerce, you can write in the comments and I'll be sure to make a video on it. Until next time.